How to gain IT experience without a job. One of the biggest challenges for beginners in IT support is gaining hands-on experience without an official job. Employers often want experience, but you need a job to get experience. So how do you break this cycle? The good news is that there are several ways to build real-world IT support experience that will boost your resume and increase your chances of landing a job. Volunteer for IT support roles. Many organizations, small businesses, and nonprofits need IT support, but don't have the budget for a full-time technician. Volunteering your IT skills can help you gain experience while making a difference. Where can you find volunteer work? Local nonprofits and charities. Many need help setting up computers, troubleshooting issues, and maintaining networks. Churches, mosques, or community centers often have tech needs like setting up Wi-Fi, projectors, and sound systems. Schools and libraries may need IT assistance for maintaining computers and internet services. Startups and small businesses. Many new businesses lack IT support and may welcome free assistance. Offer free or low-cost IT support to family and friends. Helping people in your network with their tech problems is a great way to practice troubleshooting. Examples of tasks you can handle. 1. Setting up computers, printers, and Wi-Fi networks. 2. Removing malware and optimizing system performance. 3. Installing and updating software. 4. Teaching basic cybersecurity practices, for example, how to recognize phishing emails. Take on freelance IT support projects. Even without prior experience, you can start small by offering IT support services on freelance platforms. Where can you find a freelance IT support job? Fiverr. Offer basic tech support services like virus removal or software installation. Upwork. Apply for IT support jobs that fit your skill level. People per Hour. Another great platform for offering IT-related services. Facebook and WhatsApp groups. Promote your services in local community groups. Enroll in practical IT support courses. Online courses with hands-on labs can help you gain simulated work experience. Recommended platforms include Coursera, Google IT Support Professional Certificate. Includes hands-on labs. LinkedIn Learning, IT help desk and support courses. Good for resume building. Try Hackme and Hack the Box for cybersecurity skills. Hands-on training in security-related IT support. Even if you don't have an official IT support job, there are plenty of ways to gain hands-on experience. The key is to be proactive. Don't wait for a job to start practicing. Document everything. Keep a portfolio of the IT problems you've solved. Engage with communities. Learning from others accelerates your growth. Keep applying for jobs. Every bit of experience increases your chances of getting hired. If you are new here, please like, share, and follow my page for more videos. Thank you for watching.